2005 Nissan Murano, codes PO 340, 345 and 335, which are both camshaft sensors and crankshaft sensor, coming right up. Ooh, what's up guys, welcome to the Aries Moto home of the quick and easy where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome. JD Neville's here with the old man right there, and we are replacing something that everyone should be able to replace by themselves. Not too complicated. This is part of the quick and easy. And that gives you space to work. Both are very easily accessible. And if you're wondering why there's so much oil, this car has 400,000 kilometers. The connectors are always a little bit of biatch to remove because over time, I got heating and cooling. Makes the plastic very hard. You want to be very careful so you don't break anything. It's really hard right now, and there's so much oil too. Makes it super slippery. That's number one. So you're gonna have to apply a little bit more of a pressure because aftermarket rubber is a little bit bigger in size. And it clicked in. I don't know if you can hear that, but it clicked in. It's also 10 millimeter. Huh? Hold on, show. And there's a subtle difference between those two.
See, three different. Everything
because
different.
This one right here, look, the little pin. See this little pin? It looks like a T. Looks like a T right here. No, that's a different one, but there's a. They look the same.
Not same.
The crankshaft and this looks almost the same, but it's not. See where the little T is? It's like right here. And this one has a little T on the side like that. So it's not here, it's actually here.
And you see different position. Look this.
Yeah.
Two different completely.
Just in case if you mix them up when you're doing your job. Click in again. push up the pin, and then you connect the sensor and push the pin back all the way down so the connector stays in place. Alright, so both of those are done. See it from over here. So you're looking at exhaust manifold right here, and then it's like right there. And the old man's gonna use a special tool. Let me see. That's a shallow 10mm socket and ratcheting wrench. Too big? Push it in. And now it just needs to connect it, and the job is done. So that would be 3 sensors, crankshaft, and 2 camshaft for PO340, PO345, and PO335.